You're watching KSG News Explainer. In this video, we are going to talk about I2U2 Group meeting. This is for GS Paper 2 International Relations. The I2U2 grouping of India, Israel, UAE, and the US have expressed commitment to deepening their economic participation and have taken stock of current projects in agriculture and clean energy and reviewed potential projects to help the group's objectives. The group met on the margins of the United Nations General Assembly meeting. Now, what is this all about? The group expressed its commitment to deepening the economic partnership among the four countries. They took stock of current projects in agriculture and clean energy and reviewed potential projects to help further the group's objectives. The group looks forward to building on the success of the Leaders Summit in July. The I2U2 grouping was conceptualized during the meeting of the foreign ministers of the four countries held in October 2021. The group is aimed to encourage joint investments in six mutually identified areas such as water, energy, transportation, space, health, and food security. It intends to mobilize private sector capital and expertise to help modernize the infrastructure, low carbon development pathways for our industries, improve public health, and promote the development of critical emerging and green technologies. A joint statement issued after the summit said, and I quote, "This unique grouping of countries aims to harness the vibrancy of our societies and entrepreneurial spirit to tackle some of the greatest challenges confronting our world, with a particular focus on joint investments and new initiatives in water, energy, transportation, space, health, and food security." Unquote. The statement continues, "We reaffirm our support for the Abraham Accords and other peace and normalization arrangements with Israel. We welcome the economic opportunities that flow from these historic developments, including for the advancement of economic cooperation in the Middle East and South Asia, and in particular for the promotion of sustainable investment among the I2U2 partners. We also welcome other new groupings of countries such as the Negev Forum for Regional Cooperation that recognize the unique contributions of each partner country, including Israel's ability to serve as an innovation hub, connecting new partners and hemispheres to strategically address challenges that are too great for any one country to manage alone," the joint statement said. That's it for this explainer. Thank you so much for watching. To join KSG India courses and to crack the IAS exam, visit ksgindia.com. You can also get a PDF of this explainer on ksgindia.com. Thanks for watching.